Welcome to PR Creatives. Here we are going to show you the different types of sewing and embroidery threads. So we have Vardhaman Pride and we have Madura Coats Calypso. So these are the best threads for embroidery. So the main reason being these are trilobal polyester, and trilobal polyester have that strength in them, and one more thing is that they do not fade away. Even due to water or even due to sunlight or even due to exposure, they do not fade. So that is the reason why these threads are the best threads to use for any embroidery garment store or anything regarding embroidery. So we deal mainly with 4 companies. One is the line which is below is whole Vardhaman, which is almost all 80 shades, and then we have Madura Coats Calypso, which has another 80 shades. Other than these, we also deal with Madeira, which is high premium threads. In Madeira, we deal with polyester as well as metallic threads. So metallic threads basically give you that that spice of touch of gold and silver. And then we also deal with Gutterman. So Gutterman is the most premium polyester thread which we deal with. So Gutterman's superfine silk is basically superfine polyester is what we deal with. And in Gutterman it is all imported thread. So Madeira and Gutterman are imported, and these are actually manufactured in India itself. So this is the 20,000 meters, 10,000 meters and 5,000 meters. Not only white, we also maintain a complete range of colors. So depending on the color of the fabric, you can match that thread accordingly. And these are from Madura Coats, and these have the best finish and the best quality of threads. And over here, if you see, these are the Madeira polystitch. You have gold, you have silver, you have copper, and then you have some neon shades. And if you come over here, these are the metallic threads of Madeira. If you see, you can see this shine of gold. So to get that shine, you use these kind of metallic threads. These are all the range of metallic threads for you. Let me show the difference between a regular thread and the Vardhaman thread. So let us try breaking it right now. You can maybe hear the sound as well. So it takes a lot of strength to break this thread. This is the regular thread which is available in the market. Let's try this one now. So that is the level of difference of strength. So when the thread strength is higher, it will be easy for you to do embroidery or even sewing. Because if the strength is higher, there will be very little thread breakage. So when there is little thread breakage, the machine does not stop much. And one more thing, the advantage is whenever there is a thread breakage, a small amount of thread gets wrapped up inside the parts. And by using these high strength threads, first thing, there will be no thread breakage. Secondly, because there is no thread breakage, there won't be any problems in the machine because there is no wrapping up of thread in between the parts. So that is the best advantage of using high quality threads. Let me now explain the price and delivery details. So I sell minimum quantity of 5 threads per shade. So minimum of half box. So you have to order minimum of half box per shade. And within Hyderabad limits, I can do a same day delivery. Delivery charge is definitely extra. And if it is anywhere outside also, I am tied up with DTDC, which will directly deliver the box at your place. So delivery charges are definitely extra. But then if the order value is above 6,000 rupees, there will be a free delivery. Payments are done online. My number will be shared. You can contact me on WhatsApp. I will be sharing you the shade card as well as all the different products I sell with the rates and everything accordingly.